Today's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. In this video, we're going to ride the elevators here at 750 Lake Cook Road in Buffalo Grove, Illinois. Looks like we got some Series 1. We got this elevator to the right. Coming up. So let's go forward. I'm giving this line a pen. I'm wondering about these are traction. Yep, I was right. So these ones don't classic level compared to some Series 1s at another nearby building. So we'll go down the 1, get our cab view. This is your basic office building elevator from the 80s. Here's me up there. Hi. Your lanterns, as well as what the COP is known for providing. Here's your inspection certificate. And here's your phone. So we'll send this up to 4 and take a ride on the left elevator. Oh, and it's already waiting for me right here. Would you look at that? So this one seems to double as a service elevator given the wall padding. So I'll go 4. Alright, here we are at 4. Now let's go on the 1. Now let's get our cab view. It's me up there. Hi. And behind the padding, that's what it looks like. Pretty much. So, your lanterns, indicator, key switches, buttons, inspection certificate, and here's your phone. Just went to nudge mode.
When it's done, when the band-aids are done.
I'm glad that buzzer's kind of dying. So there that elevator goes. And that's it.